Today I'm reviewing the Kopari Beauty Whipped Ceramide Moisture Cream. And really quick, I just want to say I purchase nice products with my own money. I'll never waste your time with sponsored ads or videos, so if you want to help support the channel, check out novusbeauty.com, join my Patreon community, or click on the link below. So I think I got this last summer in a Trend Mood box. I don't think I purchased this outright, but I think I got it in a Trend Mood box where they have deals and you get a bunch of stuff. And anyway, it's kind of fun, but you have to be fast to get them because they sell out quickly. And I noticed this was on the list of Ulta's 21-day beauty deals, so I thought I'd get a review it. Okay, so they say strengthen skin's barrier and lock in hydration for 72 hours with Kopari's Moisture Whipped Ceramide Cream. I hate when brands do that, like Clinique does that. 72 hours. Oh, now it's 100 hours. Whatever. Anyway, the only ingredient that really has like a time like that, or reservoir effect, is L-ascorbic acid. But anyway, powered by vegan ceramides and moisture-retaining hyaluronic acid, skin is left feeling smoother, more supple, and moisturized. Okay, first criteria is packaging. I'm not a fan of jar packaging, obviously. I'm really not a fan of this. It's just gigantic. And it looks like it's going to be glass, but it's plastic. Yeah, I'm not a fan of it at all. And they could make it like half the size. So, whatever. Okay, in terms of denatured drying types of alcohol, it does not contain any of those. It's also fragrance-free, which is interesting because Kopari has a lot of fragrance in a lot of their stuff. It's typically not super heavy or strong, but it's there in most of their products. And they kind of came to fame with their, they just came out with basically coconut. A coconut cream with just one ingredient, coconut. That's kind of their claim to fame. So it's kind of interesting how they've evolved as a brand and now are coming full circle and now fragrance-free in some cases. Okay, the manufacturing location. This one surprised me. This is made in Korea. I had no idea about that either, so I found that to be fascinating. No issues with that. So ease of use. It's got a whipped texture to it, which is wonderful. I always have a problem getting this plastic one off. For some reason, it's just harder. Okay, so here we go. So I'll take a little amount of that. So it has like kind of a light whipped texture, but not quite as creamy as, say, like the Lala Retro Cream or the Acure Radically Rejuvenating Whipped Cream. Those ones are more whipped. This one's not quite as whipped, but still has a really nice light whipped slight texture to it. They say apply a quarter-size amount to face after cleansing and toning. I found a little bit of this one does not go a very long way, but you can certainly use it after face, after cleansing and toning. And if you use serums, use it after those serums absorb. You can use it day or evening. I find for my daytime routine, it's a little thick and it takes a little bit of time to absorb. So for me, I found it's not quite ideal for daytime. I prefer using this in my evening routine. And then I'll apply this after my treatment product, my retinoids. I'll apply this, give it a second to soak in, and then I'll apply a thicker cream like the Klairs Midnight Blue Calming Cream after this. And then sometimes I'll mix in an oil with this as well. So very easy to use. It sets to a non-sticky, slightly radiant finish. So that's why I prefer it in the evening, but you can certainly use it morning or evening. No issues at all with that. So, okay, in terms of animal testing, this is vegan as well as cruelty-free. So that is awesome. No issues at all with that. In terms of performance, it's moderately hydrating. I feel like this was more enough for my skin during the late summer when I actually got this in the fall. In the winter, I just don't find this alone adds enough moisture back to my skin. If I mix it with like an oil, that makes a big difference. Or if I use it before a thicker cream, that also makes a bigger difference. Or sometimes I'll sandwich my tretinoin in between this and the Klairs Midnight Blue Calming Cream, and then that helps. Definitely best for sensitive, dry, and normal skin types. It's not friendly for acne-prone skin at all. So for acne-prone skin, we've got Cetearyl alcohol, Squalane, stearic acid, stearyl alcohol, myristic acid, jojoba seed oil, and vitamin E. So 7 ingredients of note, although not nearly as bad. They almost look good compared to the Bobbi Brown cream, which had 12 acneogenic ingredients. So go figure. Okay, in terms of price, so I get torn on price now because everybody's raising prices. So this is actually bigger than most moisturizers. This is 2.1 ounces or 60 milliliters. So it's about a fifth bigger than most moisturizers that are 50 milliliters. And the retail price for it's $42. So I'm a little bit torn. It is on the more expensive end, but it's a little bit larger, so I give them that factor. So I didn't discount them for price or discredit them, or what would that be? Negative them? I don't know. I didn't mark them down for price, but it's on the cusp of being pretty expensive. If this had been a 1.7 ounce product, I definitely wouldn't have given them the points. So I need to come up with like a formula.
No half points.
Or something. Just like a formula, like if it's more than $5 a milliliter, it doesn't win, or whatever. Anyway. Okay. Okay, in terms of the ingredients, so let's talk about those. We've got squalane, antioxidant, skin identical ingredient, shea butter, emollient, antioxidant, coconut fruit extract, obviously, Kopari, they got their start with coconut, so they're not gonna not use it now. Coconut extract it's a good extract that contains sugars, minerals, and amino acids that has vitalizing and energetic effects and smoothing and emollient properties. We've got jojoba seed oil, emollient, very biologically similar to the makeup of human sebum. Ceramide NP, skin identical ingredient. Phospholipids, emollient, and skin identical ingredients that are often used to, also, it's just an interesting fact, they're often used to create liposomes, which are small spheres surrounding the phospholipid biolayer designed to carry an active ingredient such as tretinoin or vitamin A or whatever. We've got boabex seed oil, tea tree nut oil rich in fatty acids that helps hydrate the skin and replenish the skin barrier. Watermelon seed oil, good emollient. Cholesterol, skin identical ingredient, barrier repairing. Phytosphingosine, skin identical ingredient, barrier repairing. Vitamin E, antioxidant, hydrating ingredient. Aloe, emollient, soothing, hydrating, anti-inflammatory. Boab fruit extract, a good emollient. And then sodium hyaluronate, which is a humectant. So, nice list of skin soothing ingredients, antioxidants, and hydrating ingredients. In terms of the It Factor, this has some similar dupes. It has an incredible list of dupes that are most of them much more expensive. The Milk Makeup Vegan Milk Moisturizer, the Drunk Elephant F-Balm, Then I Met You Renewing Rich Beauty Cream, the Skin Fix Barrier Peptide Lipid Lotion, and the Purito Centella Unscented Recovery Cream. So those are all pretty darn similar to this. Very nice cream. I love that it's fragrance-free. Wonderful texture, good ingredients. Worth a try for most people except those with acne-prone skin, in my opinion. So, anyway, with a 10 being a perfect score, I just went a 9. It's got a lot to like about it, so it might be worth a try for you guys. Or if you've already tried it, leave a comment. Love hearing from you guys. And stay tuned for more tomorrow. Thank you so much. Bye, guys.